Hello everyone, I'm back again for another n hours of coding. Yesterday I ended up with a small problem that I was supposed to fix, which was that mm, when I add friends, they get added to the wrong play to the my friends list is just wrong. Uh, So I think I figured out the problem. I'm just adding the wrong object IDs. Um, so just fix this morning. Yeah, I had something really weird happening in here. So I just whenever someone accepts a friend request, um, we get the ID of the friend request. That way. Uh, we get the friend request and we get the sender of the request and the receiver, and then we have uh, both of them, like we add the sender to the receiver's friends list and the same for the receiver. So to test this, I'm just gonna uh, edit all these users that I already have. Just uh, just gonna remove the friends list. Save. Same thing for the second. Edit document. Friends. Save. And the last one. Okay, the last one doesn't have anything. So I think it's the first that I haven't edited. Okay, all of them seem to be fine. Okay, great. So I removed the friends from here. I'm just gonna get the friend requests. Let me show all these. Document, set them to false. I'm just gonna delete all of them. Drop collection, yes. Okay. Now I'm just going to connect okay, so technically I should not get anything, so I'm gonna look for test. So I have test 2 and test 3. I'm gonna send requests to them. So I need to make something that shows that the request has been sent. I'm sure the request has been sent. Yeah, I can see that here. So I need to update this live update this. So I have two pending requests to test 2 and test 3. I'm gonna open a new private browser and just go there, log in as test 2. Okay, so I have this working. Just gonna close one of them. Okay. Now that I have this, I just need. What do I want to do now? Okay, so right now, if I do a search, This doesn't seem to be working fine. Is it? No, it does. Okay, so what I want to do is here I'm gonna be okay. I need just to show up something here that says like there's no request, no pending requests, or just make this part where here where my friend requests are. I'm just gonna hide it for now when it's empty. So I'm gonna go to the CSS contacts, friend requests. So I'm gonna say and empty display none. That way okay, this doesn't work well because there is a new line here, so the empty thing doesn't work. So I'm just gonna go to contacts and right here just gonna shut it like this. I don't know, there must be a better way of doing this. I'm just gonna reload this. Okay, great. So you can see that here there's nothing. Second thing is I'm gonna store my friends inside. Let friends equals new and when I get my friends, scroll get friends, friends list. I'll just call this friends list. Okay, and when I get my friends, I'm gonna empty the element and just set my friends list equals to friends. This way I have stored my friends list, and every time I get the friends it's gonna update this. Also I need another thing is inside the search here, inside my search, what I want to do is that when I empty the search, once the search is emptied, I'm just gonna reload my friends list that I've stored. So instead here, instead of returning, I'm just gonna event manager, wait, yeah, I'm just gonna use this one, global event, emit got friends, and friends list. Yeah, and instead of having null, I'm just gonna have an empty list. Great. So this way, I have my current friends. Let's say I'm looking for another friend whose name is like this, can't find it, stop searching, I get back my friends list. Now, because these are my friends and they're already in my contact list, I'm just gonna instead of having a plus list, so the plus list is The plus is to add friends, to add users who are not in my list already. So instead of this, instead of having a plus here, because they're already in the thing, I'm just gonna create a new file. Okay. Now I'm gonna use the contact list element and have different types. I think I'm gonna do this type search. The default type is search, and here I'm gonna just do this. Type equal search. If it's search, I show this icon. Oh, I think I'm gonna just do it this way because it's gonna be a completely different thing. So I'm gonna just say let DOM element equals null, and then I have if type equals search, then I do this. I know it's not really clean, but don't have time to clean stuff. Else I'm gonna have, let me just fix this. I'm gonna have this DOM element, instead of having a add, it's gonna be remove, and the icon is gonna be, close this thing. I'm just gonna check feather icons and trash. Okay, trash. I'm gonna shut this one, don't need it for now. Trash. Okay, great. And inside contact element list, user, I'm just gonna user, and type is gonna be search. I don't need the search here because that's the default thing. I'm gonna need it. When I get friends here. Friend and type friend. Great. And this way, I'm gonna reload this. Instead of having this, I'm gonna have the trash thing. So these are the friends that I have. Great. Okay. I guess we have a thing now, a working at least for now. We can search for users. I need to make two things because right now I have accept friend request, Leslie designer line. Okay, let me just push this to the git repo, git add, git commit. Okay. This is online. Now, maybe I'm gonna filter the search results or not. Or yeah, anyway, for now I'm just gonna let this be like this. I know that I'll have to order these by alphabetical order, but for now, okay, sorry guys, I got disconnected. Anyways, so what was I saying is that now I'm just gonna do the chat thing so that we have something working chat, and then I'll keep fixing stuff as I go. God, motherfucker. Okay, so I need to be able to click on these and start communication. Plus, I need to show people who are connected and all this stuff. Okay. First things first is I'm gonna go to my server, and inside here I got these index here. Okay, let me take off this thing. This is a copy paste. Okay, I the stuff that I have here, I don't think this is useful for now. I don't need this. So here's a clear, it's right now red. Okay. Window location default namespace. Okay, I'm gonna need to connect to local host So my server is running on port 300 and my front is running on port 550, so I'll need to just give it this http dash dash. I need to fix this thing. This is not gonna work. API.set socket equals socket. Okay. Now, so I have one problem. Okay, I didn't localhost. Okay, let's wait till the server restarts. And I don't think I'm connected because inside my server I'm waiting for a token. Let's just user connected. Okay, let's do this, reload this thing, reload it twice. Okay, so as I can see, no one's connected. I think if I remove this thing though, everything should work fine. Okay, so this is the part that's gonna allow people to connect or not. So I'm not connected, but I need to do some work in here. So first thing first, I'm just gonna take all this stuff away, copy this, cut this, paste it in here, cut this, and go to API. Again, inside the API, I'm just gonna take these things, okay, and whenever we init the connection, if we have the token, we do all these things plus this dot socket equals this, take off this, and I need to send it some options. Token equals this dot token. Great. Technically, this should fix everything. I'm gonna reload this thing. Get fans, property forage, invalid token. Okay, so my token expired, I guess. I'm just gonna clear everything, reload this, load up test. For now, I guess I just have this great console elements. So the question is, going back here, So apparently I did not manage to connect. I'm just gonna log stuff a little bit to see if everything works fine. Okay, so handshake data token undefined. Okay, so apparently my attempt, this doesn't seem right. Option URL string option socket client connection option. And okay, I'm just gonna go back to socket.io and shake data. I'm just gonna check how just check this. Okay, it's inside socket request. So if I check handshake data, middleware. Socket configuration difference. This doesn't look fine. I don't see where the token is sent. Okay. Data. Check this, reload this. Board update. I don't seem to find the data. It's gonna relaunch. Should we try? Okay, this is not doesn't seem to be working. Okay. Let's see if I still have this. Okay. Handshake data. Now based on debug shortcuts, client. Client data callback. Authenticate. Um, hmm, hmm, hmm. Handshake. Set authorization. Let's see if I data here. This is not how it works. God, I'm just gonna keep trying. Cleanup header. Server pending writable state, event suitable host, connecting false, socket, server response. Okay. Socket connection per user. Uh, 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 um. on. Okay. Let's see. Send option force new button. Force new true. Handshake. Handshake. Do I have this? Let's see. Undefined. Okay, what do I? So the option query. Okay, let's see if this thing works. Query undefined. Okay, great. That's amazing. Oh, great. So this is how it works, apparently. And so again, username. Header. Oh God. Okay, connection files. Okay. Original prototype token. Okay, seems to be sent somewhat. Now, token. What if I do this? Reload this thing. Okay. Is this how I'm gonna access the thing? That seems really weird. But it works. Okay, that's how we're gonna do this. Handshake data. Query and token. Okay. User connected. That's great. Which means back. Any secret strings false object. Okay, I'm gonna so verify the token, and if it's true, then I'm just gonna verify token parse. Okay, I need to check inside utils. I need a parse token. Token, create token, verify token. Verify. Oh, decoded token. If decoded token. Okay. So this works amazing. Other. And I'm gonna let's see, what do I get? Stuff. Okay, so this needs to be null. And okay, so technically, let me just see if there is a query thing inside. Okay. Query token. Okay, if I have this, so I can get post user data equals verify, so I get query token and data. token from the phone. Okay. Come on. So this is gonna be socket ID server, transport, request. Transport, handshake. Okay, let's see. Handshake query token. Oh, huh. And another thing is, let's see. Okay, this looks great. Let me just check the handshake on its own. URL headers time. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. User data is gonna be this thing, and okay. So we get the username, the email, and the ID. Great. And I'm just gonna do this user data. Great. Now inside my connected users, I have this. This is great. Now I'm gonna need more information inside the token. So inside the login part, login, sign up, login. I'm gonna send the public RSI key. I don't need this anymore. And public sign key. This is the private, the public data, and maybe friends. User dot I don't know if I can send this much data inside a token, but we'll see this really soon. I'm just gonna log out of this, reload, test. Okay, I don't know when, what is this? I stopped streaming, but hopefully it's not being really long. So what I did is I'm stoking, I'm saving both the information here. User data friends. I'm getting the friends. Seems weird. Just gonna do this, return this, and one more thing is log this. Let's see how this works out for me. Okay. Just F. Wanna see what just F does. Okay, so I technically have these, but oh, it should be set here. Okay, and inside this, okay, I get my connected friend. So I'm just gonna do this first, filter this, and then I'm just gonna map every friend. Okay, take off this thing away. User data friends, tac, and map every friend with connected get f dot user data. Okay. Did I fuck up somewhere? This. Filter. I think. What am I missing? User data. Filtering. get connected users, map. Okay, and reload this whole thing. Broke something here. So get emit map is not a function. Okay, so I guess I fucked up something here. Wait, so I'm filtering. After I filter, I map. Okay. Instance of buffer. I fucked up something. Okay. Friends, filter, F, connected users, get. Then I map. I'm gonna take off this thing here. Reload. Okay, this is working. Now I just need to map each of these with get f dot user data. I don't think that. Okay, this seems to be working now. Great. So the last person who connects gets information about his connected friends. Okay, one thing that I'm gonna do is export this to a function. Okay, where am I gonna put this? I'm just gonna create a socket, new file, socket helpers.js, and get connected friends. So I'm gonna just get the connected users and user data, great module exports, get connected friends, and inside here just this. Connected users and let me just filter and map. Okay, and here I'm just gonna this file is getting really socket helper get connected friends. Connected users and user data. Great. This is working. This is working. Great. So right now I'm telling the connected user that, oh, here is the list of your connected friends. Now I need to tell his connected friends that, hey, here is there is a new person who's connected to this. So I can either use this and do for each for each friend. What's gonna happen? I'm gonna just connect the users, get friend, and socket init connected friend with the user data. Socket from defined. Da, da, da. Okay. Really. Okay. Username, ID, public key. Oh. Again. Get friend. Instead of this, I'm just gonna use ID here. And this should fix everything. Okay, so here is the person who's connected, and great. This is working. And connected friends. So what else do I need? I need to tell them that someone's disconnected. So when I go offline, I'm just gonna get the user's connected friends and this connected friend. Maybe I don't want to give the friends information, I guess. And maybe the email to everyone. But I'm gonna just keep it like this for now. Maybe clean up the data that I'm sending later on. Now inside the API, I know that I get this socket, and I'm just gonna listen both the connected friend and friend. I'm just gonna emit the same thing up. And the same thing when I disconnected friend, and disconnected friend. Great. So technically, oh, I don't have the console log anymore, but that's fine. Okay. Oh yeah, I got the basic things here. So I'm gonna work a little bit on the front. Fix these. So at the beginning, as I don't have any last used friends, okay, I need to do three things. First is add a little icon to say that, oh, these friends are online in here. This is gonna be easy. I'm just gonna listen to these events. So I'm just gonna go to contact list element. So I'm gonna just add, okay, let me just fix this. I'm just gonna add a status div. And manager, subscribe. So connected friend and connected friends. So I'm gonna friend so I get the friend, and I'm just gonna say if friend dot id equals id status of class list add online, and I'm gonna do the same thing for friends. So this is an array, and find. I'm gonna just look if I have a friend. Again, inside contacts, I need two things. I need to give it the event manager also. Plus I need to connect I can just give it the global events. And here, great. Okay. So if I check these, this one I can see is online, and this one doesn't have any status. I'm just gonna give it a default status to offline. And if it's online, I'm just gonna remove no. I don't know if I can replace. Let me check something really fast. Store. So I'm just gonna check if class list has a replace. Oh, it has a replace. Does it? Online offline. Okay, so this works. Oh, I'm gonna just use the value. No. No. I'm just gonna say that by default, if it doesn't have a status, this means it's offline, and if it does have a status, that means is online. And I need this connected friend, disconnected friend. I'm just gonna say if this friend dot underscore id equals id. I'm just gonna say that status class list remove online. Great. Just wait for 5 seconds until I can check this now, and I can see that this one is online and my second friend is not online. Do I have, okay, I got this one too. This one is not online. Oh, that's weird. I have a problem. Test 2, test 3, test and test 3. So this is test 2. This is test 2. Friends, find friend, connected friend. I think this is the part that's not working. I'm just gonna do one thing first. Fix the CSS so that we can see a little bit better. Contacts, friend request, contact list. Status with 30 pixels, height 30 pixels, border radius 30 pixels, background color red, and online background color green. Okay. This is not working well at all. Okay. Okay. So I have the connected friends working. There's one thing that's not working is connected friends. Connected friends. It does not seem to be working. Okay, so this works here. Connected friends and okay. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna take a small break and I'll be right back. Need to make some food and see you either tomorrow or this afternoon. Thank you for watching. I just got annoyed by this thing, so I'm gonna take a break and come back soon, hopefully. Have a great day.